आपणाकय कुठ्ठाळीचे नवे मार्केट बेगिनात सुरू जाल्ले जाय, मात राज्य सरकारान नवी मार्केट मॅनेजमेंट पॉलिसी तयार करपाचे थारायल्ले आसा आणि ह्या खातीर हे पॉलिसीक लागून हे मार्केट अजून उक्ते जाल्ले ना म्हण कुठ्ठाळीचे आमदार एलिना सल्डाना उलयल्या. RDX गोवा खातीर वास्कोच्यान प्रसाद नायक.
Even I definitely want the market to start as quickly as possible because I want all the fish vendors, the vegetable and fruit vendors to come into the market and start their business. Unfortunately, the government has decided that there has to be a policy for the management of the market. And therefore, this policy was being drafted. It had to go through different stages because this market management policy will be applicable not only for the markets, not only for Kortali Panchayat, Kortali Market Complex, but it is applicable to all the markets, to the Directorate of Panchayats. I think 1 month, one or maybe two months or 3 months after the inauguration, the project was handed over to the Directorate of Panchayat, but they could not open the market because they are awaiting this policy which is going to control the running of this market at all levels. Now, we have been given, the directorate was given strict instructions that until and unless the government has come up with a policy which will be applicable to all the markets in the state of Goa, both under Panchayat and the municipality. In fact, when I once went to the Directorate of Panchayats, the director said, "Madam, thank you very much. Due to the Kortali market complex, now all the markets will be governed by a policy, through a policy, which will be for the good of the vendors, for the good of the people who go to buy at the market." So, a little more patience. I think it may be another 2 or 3 weeks at the most before it is handed over, or maybe it might even happen during this week where the policy will be handed over to the Panchayat. And once the policy is handed, the Panchayat has to see every clause in the policy and fulfill every clause in sequence as per the sequence given in the policy. The Panchayat cannot just go and hand over to the vendors. That is not allowed. Even handing over the sopes to the vendors and allotting the shops is all governed by this policy.